Are you looking for the best budget treadmill under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best budget treadmill under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. WalkingPad R2 Folding Treadmill. You may modify the height of the handrail on WalkingPad R2. The WalkingPad's innovative hinge design enables it to be folded in under 3 seconds. With a floor area of 0.11 square meters, the wall-mounted and vertical storage solution is easy and space-saving. The integrated aluminium alloy frame, constant black paint, and basic yet robust shape demonstrate the beauty of balanced aesthetics and a sense of strength. The KS Fit app allows you to record and track your fitness statistics, as well as operate your R2, including mode switching, start, stop, acceleration, and deceleration. R2 has a high safety index and allows you to walk freely due to its 610 mm wide comfortable running area and 70 mm high safe running surface. Shock absorption, noise reduction, excellent foot feeling. The 4-layer professional racetrack construction is extremely resilient, allowing for a more comfortable landing, and each step is light and labor-saving. It is equipped with a new brushless motor that produces less noise and has a higher load-bearing capability. After extensive testing, it has shown to be steady and reliable. Number 2. WalkingPad X21 Double Folding Treadmill. With a range of speeds ranging from 0.5 to 12 km per hour, you can adjust your running speed in real time based on your running status. NFC-enabled smart sensors make network distribution simple. You'll have direct access to the interface, and data will be updated and shown in real time on your mobile phone and WalkingPad. The X21 is equipped with an integrated panel display. At rest, you can simply admire the machine's lovely surface, but, once powered up, you may observe the data shown on the LED digital display. The KS Fit app records and tracks your fitness statistics while also controlling your X21's modes, start, stop, acceleration, and deceleration, among other functions. X21's all-aluminum alloy frame and black-coated body give it a beautiful and sturdy appearance. Stability and durability are enhanced by the balance of design aesthetics and power sense. The 4-layer professional track simulates real running and improves the comfort and safety of sports. The efficient brushless motor maintains a constant power output and generates just 75 decibels of noise at maximum speed under no-load conditions, allowing you to operate at full speed without disturbing downstairs neighbors. Number 3. WalkingPad Under Desk Treadmill. Portable treadmill to stay active all day. The speed of the WalkingPad is 0.6 miles per hour to 4 miles per hour, which is very suitable for working when walking or jogging. This treadmill is easy to maintain exercise during work. The walking treadmill is designed with 8 silicone shock absorbers and 2 soft rubber pads, providing a 15x30 tonnage track with freedom of movement and equipped with 5 layers of anti-slip straps. It not only provides a comfortable sports experience, but also effectively reduces joint impact and protects your knees. With its sturdy steel frame, the treadmill can easily support a weight of up to 320 pounds. Our mini treadmill widens the running area 51 inches x22, allowing you to run more flexibly and freely, allowing you to immerse yourself in comfortable and safe running area. The speed range of 0.6-4 miles per hour can meet your walking, jogging, or fast running needs. Our under-desk treadmill with lightweight and portable design, which is space-saving and perfectly fit your desk or workbench. Wheels at the bottom are for easy transportation. Allows this under-desk mini treadmill to be easily moved and stored at home or office. Meet your fitness needs at any time. Number 4. WalkingPad Under Desk Treadmill for Home Office. Stay active throughout the day with our 2-inch-1 portable treadmill. The speed of WalkingPad is 0.6 miles per hour to 3.8 miles per hour, ideal for working while walking or jogging. This under-desk walking pad lets you maintain your fitness routine. With LED display screen of WalkingPad, You can keep track of your speed, distance, time, and calories directly. Additionally, the included remote control allows you to adjust speed and stop the walking pad without interrupting your exercise. Our underdesk treadmill features 2.0 horsepower motor which can support weight capacity of 220 pounds. The walking belt is composed of 5 non-slip layers and equipped with shock absorption to minimize noise and reduce impact on the knee, muscles, and ankle. It allows you to exercise at home or office without disturbing your surroundings. This underdesk walking pad treadmill is a compact design. The body size is 48 x 20.5 x 4.6 inches and the weight is 54 pounds, which can be easily placed under the sofa, bed and desk. With built-in wheel design, it can be easily lifted and moved. Enjoy peace of mind with our warranty. If you meet any problem while using our products, please contact with us. Our 24-hour customer service team will help you with any issue. Number 5. WalkingPad P1 Thin Folding Electric Treadmill. After folding, it covers only an area of 0.5 meters. Even in a small room, your home can afford a place for it. What gives easy storage is our patented folding technology. Countless times of rotating and treading will not weaken its folding performance. The 25 kilograms machine, light and flexible, with sliding roller allowing girls to move. One-piece design, no installation required when opening the box. Coming with workable cushioning pad, safety armrest and personalized accessories. Various protection mechanisms enabling the whole family to walk at ease. Foot sensing speed control panel, remote control or app control at your disposal. 12-gear infinitely variable, giving your desired P1 built with high sensitive gravity sensors to support speed control. You will easy to feel the front accelerate area, middle uniform speed area and back decelerate area, and the whole process is automatically controlled by your foot position. P1 uses wireless remote control which is creative, designed with finger feel key and high definition screen. You can use this remote to do on, off, manual, automatic, accelerate, decelerate, start, pause function, and also with the speed/time/millage/calories display. The speed accuracy is +/0.5 kmh and range is 0.56 kmh. And this walking pad is not only used in walking but also widely used in jogging.